In this video, we're going to create an HTTP endpoint to retrieve one particular to-do item. Therefore, we're going to create a function get. It has a handler, to-dos, get, and then we attach an HTTP event. There's one particular difference compared to list, for example, and this is that the path now accepts a path parameter. This is possible because by default serverless uses the Lambda proxy integration. Since our configuration is complete, we move on to code. In the first line, we're expressing that strict mode should be used, then we import the AWS SDK and instantiate a DynamoDB client. We create the function get, which is exported. It takes 3 arguments, the event, context and callback, and then we use DynamoDB.get to retrieve one item. The parameters for DynamoDB.get is an object which contains the table name of to-dos and then a key. Since we defined the ID as our primary key when we defined the DynamoDB resource, we have to provide the ID when we fetch a single item. In this case, to get the ID, we can retrieve it from the event under path parameters. The path parameter ID is available because we defined it in our serverless.yaml configuration. Same as with list, in case of an error, we want to log the error and invoke the callback. And in case everything worked fine, we're going to construct the response and invoke the callback with the response as a second argument. So far so good. Let's deploy our service and actually try out our new endpoint. To do so, we run the list command before. This will give us the list of the to-do items. We take the ID of the first item and then invoke curl with the path and the ID at the end. Pretty cool. Now we have 3 of our 5 REST API endpoints.